Is your Chime virtual card acting like it's playing hide and seek, leaving you unable to make online purchases? Don't worry, you're not alone, and we're about to get it back in action. First, let's check Chime's system status. Major outages can temporarily disable features, so visit Chime's official website or social media pages for any announcements. Next, ensure your Chime app is up to date. Outdated apps can cause glitches, so head to the App Store or Google Play Store and update if available. Review your recent transaction history for any suspicious activity. Chime might temporarily disable your card if they detect potential fraud. While you're at it, double-check your security settings within the Chime app. Sometimes, adjusting these settings can resolve temporary access issues. A simple restart can often do the trick. Power off your phone completely, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. A weak signal can interfere with the app's functionality. If none of these steps work, don't hesitate to contact Chime support directly through the app. They can provide personalized assistance and insights into your specific situation. Hopefully, one of these troubleshooting tips will get your Chime virtual card back up and running so you can get back to spending responsibly. Let us know in the comments which step helped you.